Hey guys, Dustin here with the Han Private Wealth, your channel dedicated to everything about finance and being a business owner. So today I'm going to talk about tax-free savings accounts, or TFSA for short, and how they work in the most simplest and fastest way possible. So the first thing you got to know about TFSAs is that you get no tax reductions like an RSP does. So any contribution or redemptions you make from a TFSA, it does not affect your tax return in any shape, way, or form. The second thing you need to know about TFSAs is when you can open them. And this is pretty simple. The calendar year in which you turn 18 years old is when you can open up a TFSA. The third thing you want to know about TFSAs is, what is my room? And it's actually pretty simple. If you turned 18 years old before 2009 and have always been a resident of Canada since then, all the way to 2022, your lifetime TFSA room would be $81,500. Now, if you turned 18 after 2009, the most simplest way to keep track of your room is to set up what's called a MyCRA online account, as the government actually keeps track of it all for you. If you haven't set that up or don't know how, I listed a link below in the description to help you set that up. Now, the last thing you need to know about TFSAs is, what if you don't use up all your room? And if that happens, don't be afraid, because any unused room that you don't take advantage of, it carries forward with you to each calendar year going forward. The other cool thing about TFSAs as well is any redemptions you make, you get that room back the next calendar year on January 1st as well. So you can always reuse your room every time you make a redemption. So that's it for the video today. If you like the content and the video, I'd appreciate a like and hit that subscribe button. I hope everyone has a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.